Are you still clicking the sort button every single time your Excel data changes? There is a much smarter way. The sort and sort by functions automatically keep every time you add a new row or update a value, your manually sorted data falls out of order and you have to sort it all over again. Here we have a sales table with a sales rep name in column A and their revenue in column B. Click on an empty cell. Let's use cell D2, where you want your sorted results to appear. Let me break down the sort formula so you understand every part of it. The first argument, A2 to B7, is the range of data you want to sort. The second argument, 2, look at that. Excel instantly spills the fully sorted results starting from cell D2, ranking every sales rep from highest to lowest revenue automatically. You just learned how to use the sort and sort by functions to create dynamic, auto-updating sorted lists that never fall out of order again.